Hello and welcome back to Pueblo Programming. In today's tutorial, we will be looking at all the ways that Unix and Linux can be used to create, delete, open, and copy files. First off, let's look at all the ways to create a file and open the file. Here we are at our home directory. If you do ls, you can look at all the stuff inside the home directory. And we see quite a bit of other directories, but no files yet. So let's create one. If we do cat and a pointer, then we'll call this a test file. We'll create this file, and now we can write inside the file. So we'll put something like Pueblo programming is awesome. Alright, and then hit Control-C to end the file. And then we can read the file. First off, let's look at if the file is actually there. See, before we had all the directories but no file. Now we have all the directories and test file right here. So now let's look at if we can open the file with cat. So use cat and test file, tab complete, enter, and you'll open the file and you'll see all that's inside. So there you go. That's how you use cat to open files and to create files in the first place. Next off, let's look to our documents folder, and we'll look inside. I have a directory right here and a Word document right here, puebloprogramming.docx. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this with the terminal. So we just use open, pu, tab complete, enter, and there we are. We have the Word document open right here in our user interface. And that's how you can use the terminal commands open right here to open any file that's in a text editor like Word. Next off, let's look at how to copy a file and how to delete a file. So let's go back to the slides and we'll see that here's how we move, copy, and remove files. So moving a file is MV, file name, and then space, new address. Copy file is the same way. You copy, space, file name, space, and then a new address. And then remove is RM, and you just remove the file name in the current directory, or you can put down the address of the file as well. Let's first try out the new copy, remove, and moving commands on the files we just created. So first off, let's look here. We have our test file in our home directory. Let's go into Documents. There we go. Documents, and we'll see that we have our Pueblo programming Word document here. So let's test out the delete command first, which is RM for remove, and let's remove the Pueblo programming document. Hit enter, ls again, and it's gone. It was here before. Now it's not there anymore. So we successfully deleted the Pueblo programming Word document. Now let's do pwd. Let's see where we are at right here. So this is our address for the documents directory. We'll copy that. Then we can go back to the home directory. Look here again for the test file. Let's copy that test file over to the address we just had. Enter. Okay, we just copied the test file. Now let's change directory to the documents folder. Enter, ls, and there's our test file. We just copied it from here, from the home directory right here, to the documents directory. And if we were to go back out, we'll see that ls, we still have a test file because we didn't delete it. We just copied it. So we're going to delete it right now. Test file. It's now gone from the home directory, but it's still there in the documents directory. And we'll go back to documents, change directory, cd, and let's look here. We'll see we have the test file right here. Let's move it this time. So moving it will actually delete the original copy and just move it, the copy and the file, just to its new destination. So we'll move test file tab all the way back to backslash users backslash EDSUN. And we'll hit enter. We'll look here. Test file is no longer here. It was here before, but now it's gone because we moved it. And we'll get out of this directory, ls again, and test file is back here. It was gone before, but we moved the one from documents back to the home directory. And we'll remove this one as well. Tab complete, and we no longer have any of them, but we showed you how to move, how to copy, and how to delete, and how to move a file around with just your terminal and Unix and Linux commands. So stay tuned for more Unix, Linux, and other programming videos and tutorials, and thank you.